What are your thoughts po doon nangyari po sa Senate coup? Yung pagpapalit po ng leadership, was that expected? And Senator Alan Peter Cayetano is denying, no? Sabi niya, this has nothing to do with the forthcoming impeachment kasi nakita po natin na na-impeachment na po si VP Sara sa Kamara. So aakyat na. Dapat kung si Senate President Tito Soto nagsabi sa niya na kung sakali umakyat sa kanila, he will act forthwith the following day. So dapat tomorrow, Wednesday, if ever. Ngayon po na nagpalit po na si Senate President Alan Peter Cayetano na ngayon ang nakaupo. Ano po ang tingin po nyo? Ihaharangin ba nila yung impeachment? Itutuloy? Ano po ang ano po ninyo assessment po dyan?
Ako, magandang tanong din yan. Kasi sa akin, I'll be very straightforward. One thing that I have to be clear about this. As a Filipino, I am speaking as a Filipino, not politically. I don't, at the moment, I'm speaking as a Filipino, wala akong political color, okay? At this time. Okay, una, hindi ako nag-agree, to be very honest, dyan sa impeachment na nangyari sa House. Kasi for me, it's really, at the end of the day, ulit-ulitin man natin, balibalik na rin natin yan, twice na nilang ginawa, it's politically motivated. It's really all about politics. Now, that is the reality of the Philippines, and this is not new in the Philippines. Okay? So sa akin, hindi na ako nasa-shock dyan. But we need to accept the fact na nangyari yung butuhan. And the butuhan is 255. That's really a lot of numbers. Ilan lang ang nag-abstain, ilan lang ang nagboto ng no. Pero if you really look at it, it's more than 106.
Correct.
Kasi ang kailangan mo lang threshold is 1/3. So that's 255. That's a lot of congressmen. I don't agree with the congressmen, but that is the case in right now. Nandyan yan eh. So ngayon, ang tanong, aakyat syempre ang tinatawag mong articles of impeachment sa Senado to have the Senate trial kasi that's the constitutional process. If you really be very point blank about this, it is a constitutional process. We don't agree with the reasons, we don't agree with the process. We know that it's a politically motivated, but at the end of the day, technically speaking, there is such a thing as an impeachment, and the Vice President was impeached in the House. Okay, with an overwhelmingly 255 votes. So yun yung totoo, yun yung nangyayari, yun ang realidad. A sad reality, politically speaking. Now, ang tanong mo sa akin is, aakyat nga sa Senado at I think tina-transfer na nila ang articles of impeachment sa Senado kahapon, and I assume that today they will receive it in the Senate. Now, there was a coup d'etat in the Senate before the voting. Okay. So, ako naiintindihan ko si Senator Alan Peter Cayetano and Senate President Cayetano. Kasi siya yung bago eh. Pero dito yung problema sa mga politicians natin eh. They sugarcoat everything. When in fact, the Filipino people are not stupid not to see it. Okay? Alam natin kung ano nangyayari. So sa akin, I would say na very diplomatic si Alan Peter Cayetano saying na what happened in the Senate, the coup d'etat against Soto, was not in any way related to impeachment, is one way of saying, it's one way of being diplomatic in terms of answering the question. But everyone knows in the country and even outside of the country that coup d'etat was related to impeachment of the Vice President.
Correct.
And everyone, actually, wag na tayo magbulahan dito. It is related to the impeachment. They will not go through the
motion.
I don't think the motion, and even
bring Bato back.
Why would Senator Bato risk going to the Senate when in fact he knows already na there would be a possibility na maaaresto siya? Pero pinilit pa rin niya makarating ng Senado, pero precisely kailangan niya ng boto para ma-tilt yung balance sa Senado at maging Senate President si Alan Peter Cayetano. It's all about the impeachment.
Correct.
It really is all about. I'm sorry, Senator Alan, but let's call a spade because this is the political reality of the country. I would say yes, it is related to impeachment. However, there is a good thing out of these things na nagkaroon ka ng coup d'etat. Why? Because Alan Peter Cayetano, with his background, he's a lawyer, he has been in the Senate for the longest time. I think Alan Peter already had experience impeachment proceedings as a senator before, so he has that experience, he has the competence as a lawyer to know what to do, and he has been in the Senate for the longest time, so alam niya yung parliamentary procedure, alam niya paano i-handle yung mga ganitong very critical and sensitive na mga proceedings sa Senate. Because this is very critical and sensitive. Everyone is looking at the impeachment in and outside of the country. So the good thing about this is it can be a change maker, or it should change. There can be some kind of a professional, I expect, no, from my side, from Senate President Alan Peter Cayetano, Cayetano, na he will be able to handle the impeachment proceeding in a professional manner, fair and square.